Welcome to NumCipherFinance channel, where you learn mental math tricks for smart investing. In today's video, we will use one of the 100 plus techniques from the Investor's Quick Math Guidebook to solve a real world investing problem in seconds without a calculator. Let's dive in. Today we have an interesting question. A fund gave 12.5% on 2 lakhs. What is the actual rupee gain in seconds? So this is the question. Can you do that in 10 seconds? What's the actual rupee gain in 10 seconds? So 12.5% on 2 lakhs. How do you calculate that? So this kind of situation comes up all the time for real investors. So let me walk you through a step by step how you do it quickly. So there's something called 10-5-1 method where you first calculate 10% of x is to move one decimal to the right, and then you calculate 5% of x. X could be 2 lakhs here, is just half of 10%, and then 2.5% of x is half of 5%. So this is one part of 10-5-1 method which we are going to apply here, right? So the first is, 10% of 2 lakhs is 10% of 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs has 5 zeros. So you remove 1 zero from the end. So this becomes 20,000. So 10% of 2 lakhs is 20,000. This is one. Second is, so you need 5%, which is 5% of 2 lakhs is half of 10%. So which is half of 20,000, which is 10,000. So 5% of 2 lakhs is this. So now step 3 is 2.5% you need. So that is half of 5%. So 1/2 times 10,000 is 5,000. So if you look at, right, 12.5% is nothing but 10% plus 2.5%, which is sum of 1 plus 3 in the above case. So 12.5% is 20,000 plus 5,000, which is 25,000. That's the answer. So we have a concept called 10-5-1 building block method, which I explain in detail in my book of mental math guide for investors. With the link of that book is mentioned in the description, and there are 20 such interesting shortcuts or mental math frameworks for investors to do day-to-day investment related calculations without a calculator or an Excel, all in your head in 10 seconds. So let's look at common mistakes, right, to avoid. What are the mistakes to avoid? The first is trying to multiply 12.5% directly. So you need to generally you should break any percentage into 10-5-1 method and then combine. So don't try and directly multiply. You'll not be able to do it mentally, right? So that is a common mistake. Third is, what is the takeaway? The one I mentioned, right? Build every percentage from 10-5-1 blocks. This typically works for any number. Hope you like this video. For more such interesting videos and updates, subscribe to my channel. Also look at my book on Kindle and various online platforms. You can also subscribe to my course on various platforms. The link of the course is given in the description below, and the course is going to teach you 20 odd mental math shortcut techniques or tricks to do your day-to-day investment calculations within 10 to 15 seconds without a calculator or an Excel, all in your head right away with 100% accuracy. Hope you like this video. Before you go, if this video helped you think faster about money, I have something that will take it even further. I have written a book, The Investor Quick Math Guide, a pocket book packed with 100 plus mental math shortcuts, especially for investors. No calculator needed, just pure fast thinking. And if you prefer learning on screen, I have got full video course on Udemy and YouTube and other channels, step by step with real examples, covering everything from the rule of 72, CAGR, SIP calculation, and lot more. The goal is simple: stronger math, stronger portfolio, stronger you. All the links for the books and the videos are available in the description below. If you found this useful, hit subscribe button so that you never miss a shortcut again. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.